The operation was unprecedented in scale and precision. Approximately 200 Israeli fighter jets participated, striking over 100 strategic targets across Iran, including nuclear facilities, missile bases, and command centers. Major General Hossein Salami, Commander-in-Chief of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC. Major General Mohammad Bagheri, Chief of Staff of Iran's Armed Forces. General Amir Ali Hajizadeh, Head of the IRGC's Aerospace Force and Missile Program. General Gholam Ali Rashid, Commander of the Khatam al-Anbiya Central Headquarters. These leaders were central to Iran's military strategy and operations. The strikes also targeted Iran's nuclear program, resulting in the deaths of 6 prominent nuclear scientists, including Faridun Abbasi, former head of Iran's Atomic Energy Organization. In response, Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei vowed severe punishment for Israel's actions, labeling the strikes as a blatant act of aggression. Iran retaliated by launching over 100 drones towards Israel. Israeli defense systems intercepted the majority, but the exchange marked a significant escalation in hostilities. U.S. President Donald Trump urged Iran to make a deal with Israel, warning that further conflict would lead to more devastating consequences. The strikes prompted several countries, including Jordan and Iraq, to close their airspace, reflecting the operation's regional impact. Analysts describe Operation Rising Lion as a turning point, demonstrating Israel's capability and willingness to take decisive action against perceived existential threats.